king's ransom for royalty. I deserve a mansion, I'm royalty. Address me, your majesty. To form a new dynasty. The old one was dynasty. I am your highness, please. Address me, your majesty.
Got keys for the day. Damn white bitches tag along for the play. I've been counting all this money I've been getting every day. Young ass nigga, I'm a god to the ways, yeah. Whole squad don't belong in the city, nigga. Who am I to say the shit again? Packed way private in this bitch, you's a fuck nigga. 10 shots on your block, no luck, nigga. Talking about the bitches that'll change for the game. For the niggas that'll try to switch lanes for the fame. On me, I've been stressed out, thinking that I never really changed the city. Man, you niggas need to get laid out. Mind full of shit, never got to pay now. Was a quiet ass kid, but I'm insane now. Stay to myself, but I'm okay now. Bitches trying to test, but I'm lost in the clouds. Girl, I'm just trying to stay the night and make your ass feel nice. I'm just trying to take your panties off and slide my shit inside. Things and there's no fucking lie. If only I could tell you how them titties make me feel like that. See my nigga fucking in the stall. Don't even know the name, shit, he met her at the mall.
What the fuck?
Know that I'll be back in a minute just to see that you ain't never really tried to fucking call. Fucking I'm still the god in the motherfucking area. Niggas tryna break my barrier. Give no fucks for the shit being played. I'm oblivious to niggas with the camera.